Hey lovelies, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So if this is your first time of seeing my video or hearing my voice, you're very welcome. Thank you once more for clicking. And if you've seen my video before and you're watching again, God bless you. So well, in this video, this is a video of me making my hair. In this place I made a knotless braid, so this is how the lady made it. I decided to video it so that I would post it for you guys and you can learn one or two things. In this video you will find how to make your knotless braid and also how to curl your hair and other things also. So let's watch together and learn. So first of all, she will make the hair. She will bring out the amount of hair she wants, and then she will start making the hair first. Then after that, she will fix the attachments with the hair and then she will go from there. It is self-explanatory, so you can learn while watching it. I'm just trying to explain it a little bit the way I understand it. You can find many of these videos in my channel. If you go into my channel, you will see a lot of videos like this, and even children hairstyle. You can see a lot of them, a lot of styles there, and you can also watch and learn. So here she will make the hair first and then fix the attachments with the hair, and then she will go from there. Yes, and she's very fast. She made this hair within, is it, let me say, 2 hours. Within 2 hours she was done. She's very fast. And these people you're seeing around here making hair are the people learning from her. So she will make the hair and they will finish up. She will make it and they will finish up, so that the hair will be to make it fast, the process fast. After making, she will tie it because I'm going to curl the mouth. That is what I requested for. And she's making the next one. We are almost done with just making the hair for now. And this attachment I mixed red, is it red? Yes, I think it's red, wine red, then with black and silver. Yes, that was how I got this color and I loved it. I loved the outcome, and she was even the one that suggested that I try the color. I mixed them together and I love the outcome. She's tying the mouth so that it will not lose. The other remaining place, the place there is the place she would coil for me as requested. This is my first time of making my hair in her shop, and I was so impressed. I'm going to go back there to make my hair because it was not painful at all, and she was very gentle with my hair. She was so nice in total. She was so nice. She was really nice, and she's also good at what she does. She's really good. And she gave me exactly what I wanted. I'm going to show you guys the picture of what I asked for in the end of this video. I will put the picture of the hair I asked for so that you guys would see it and see that she really did it. I was so impressed. I was really impressed. So this is the last one she's making, and soon you will see how she, I don't know how she held the hair. She tied the hair so that to prepare it for the hot water that would coil it. Yeah, let me put it like that. We are almost done. We are almost done. and she's very fast. Mm-hmm. We are done. She is done actually, and she's trying to prepare it for the curls. Here comes, and this is how she does it. Yes. I don't know the name of this thing that she used to coil it, but she has other things. But because of the coils that I requested for, the type of coils that I requested for, she then used this one to do it so that she'll get the exact one I asked for. So first of all, she will bring it and then she will comb it with one comb and hold it with this thing and then start twisting it. After that, then now she's putting it inside the hot water so that the thing will coil very well, so that it will coil. So at this point, I don't know if you can see, but the bowl she was using well, this bowl is used for maybe the hot water so that it will help her coil it. So the bowl broke and the hot water started pouring out. So yeah, that was what happened. And now this is the end. After putting the thing my hair inside the hot water, and she will leave it for some time and then lose it, and this is the result. I loved it so much. I love how the curls is. This was what I requested exactly, and she gave it to me. Guys, I'm so sorry. My camera is turning everybody red. I'm sorry. So this is the end of after coiling it, and everything came out very nice. I loved my hair so much. Now she's packing it for me. I showed her the style that she will pack for me, and she's packing it for me. I actually love it like this. Actually, I would have left it like this, but I didn't know I would love it this way. But it's okay, I can pack it myself. And I'm also going to show you guys different styles you can pack this kind of hair or any braids. I will make that video and I will post it in my channel. If you would love to see that, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification so that whenever I drop a new video, you will get to see it and you will be the first to see it. So this is the style I asked for. She's holding it very well with Brazilian wool. She's so good. I'm going to go back to her shop again to make my hair, guys, because she gave me exactly what I asked for. Exactly. Mm-hmm. She's packing it. You can rock any style you want. If you make this hairstyle, it will give you the chance to pack it any way that you like it, and it is going to come out nice. So if you want to see different styles of packing this kind of hairstyle, please subscribe to this channel once more and turn on your post notification. Also help me by liking this video and sharing to your friends, because sharing is caring, and by sharing it, it will reach out to more people. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for clicking this video. God bless you. God bless you real good. So here we are, done, 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 and I loved my hair so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you. God bless you again for me. And I'll be putting the picture of what I ordered for. Do have a lovely day. Bye.